In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hailuo AI with Minimax. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that gets you generating images in Hailuo AI with the right model selected so your results align smoothly with a Minimax-driven pipeline. First, open your browser and head to the Hailuo AI website. Give it a moment to load fully so the interface initializes correctly. Using a modern, up-to-date browser helps everything run smoothly and prevents odd rendering issues such as on the page. On the home page, choose Create Image. This brings you into Hailuo AI's image workspace, where prompts become visuals. Think of this as your canvas. You'll see a prompt field and controls that influence how the system interprets your idea. We're focusing on the model choice that forms the foundation of the connection with Minimax in this workflow. Next, open the Model menu. This menu selects the underlying engine that will interpret your prompt. Different models can emphasize different aesthetics, levels of detail, and rendering characteristics. Picking the intended model at the start ensures consistency across tools and reduces the need for heavy prompt tweaking later. From the model list, choose Image 1.0. This is a dependable general-purpose choice designed for clear, balanced results. Selecting it here establishes the baseline that complements a Minimax-oriented setup, giving you predictable behavior and style so your outputs match expectations when you integrate them into the rest of your process. Now, type your prompt and press Enter. Aim for clear, specific language. Include the subject, key attributes, and a hint of style or mood. For example, you might describe composition, lighting, or materials in plain terms. Keep it concise but descriptive, and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information in your prompts. If your idea is complex, break it into short, comma-separated phrases rather than long sentences. This helps the model weigh each element cleanly. Once you submit, Hailuo AI will generate your image based on Image 1.0. If the first result isn't quite right, adjust your wording for clarity or emphasis and run it again. Small changes like specifying camera angle or color temperature can make a noticeable difference without complicating your workflow. Consistently keeping the model set to Image 1.0 ensures that your iterations remain comparable and aligned with a Minimax-friendly approach. That's the full process. Navigate to Hailuo AI, start a new image, open the model selector, choose Image 1.0, and enter a well-structured prompt. With these steps, you create a clean, stable connection point between Hailuo AI and your Minimax workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.